Math 142, this is the final practice test, question number 20. And on question number 20, we're supposed to find the derivative of this g of x. And the way that we know how to find the derivative is to use that difference of quotient, which is the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Remember, it's just the slope of a line. We're letting those 2 points basically get as close together as we can. And so let's do this. X plus h is going to get substituted into the function. So it goes into both of those x spots. So we still have the limit as h approaches 0 of 3 times input, which is x plus h, minus 2 times input, which is x plus h, plus 4. So that's that. Minus f of x. So x is our input. So it's what it says. Remember, we're subtracting the whole thing, so use those parentheses. Or you could just distribute the negative right away if you are so inclined. Plus 4. That whole thing is over h. All right, a little more work to do here. We're still talking about the limit as h approaches 0 of 3 times, if we square this, it's going to be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Minus, we could distribute that 2 right now, 2x minus 2h plus 4. Just distribute that negative, minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 4. Still all over h. Distribute that 3. And if I do that, that's going to become a 3x squared. That's going to become a 6xh, and that's going to become a 3h squared. Just wanted to save a little space. Combine some like terms. 3x squared minus 3x squared. That's a 0. Negative 2x plus 2x is a 0. 4 minus 4 is a 0. So I'm left with the limit as h approaches 0 of, remember this is a sloppy 6 here, 6xh plus 3h squared minus 2h all over h. Next thing I can do is divide out an h from everything. So the limit as h goes to 0 of 6x plus 3h minus 2, and that h just divided one of those h's out of each of those. And so notice I'm going to let h be 0. So now I can just substitute it in. I have 6x plus 3 times 0 minus 2. So it looks like that derivative is 6x minus 2.